Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, that was good wake-up call. Yeah, thank you. Good morning. Okay, that's kind of rolling. I have bazillion unnecessary tabs. Let's close those. To do not open them accidentally. Good. Yeah, that sound alert is just something. Okay, let me fix OBS a little bit. Do I remember still go to stream? Probably. Okay, GitHub. Tracking up in the corner is a session. Yeah, Paul, hello. Kinda back. So yesterday was release day for server side for project I'm working on currently. Today we are kind of going to push iOS application, throws all the final QA checks and to the App Store for review. So I have a few hours until meetings will start, so that's it. I'm back, but not for real back. I'm working on this project. A small Mars, no. This thing. Basically, that is social network, tourism, events, kind of that. And yeah, I was working for them about a year ago, and I'm working for them again. So building iOS application. That's a decent application and nice project and great team to work with. So, oh, actually, we need a bit light. Much better, right? Let's keep it a bit brighter, as otherwise it's dark. So yeah, and we released an update on the website for website and backend yesterday, and going forward with mobile apps now. Yeah, a small world, exactly. Okay, but on the morning I will do something for my own app. There is something available for free probably as well. I don't know. There is free trial. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe everything is paid already. But yeah, it's kind of a way to select your auditory to put paywall in front of. Okay, that is kind of done. You know, because you can improve community just by adding paywall in front of it. And for example, there are plenty of paid communities, and those who are not serious about that community, unlikely they will go to pay money just to be able to access to some community which they are not kind of taking seriously. I don't know, just to troll, for example. Or spam people and stuff like that, yeah. Okay. So yeah, today's plan is do as much as possible until meetings will start and until I will become busy with freelancing thing. And yeah, I will be on Twitch for 3, maybe 4 hours, and I will be around. I don't know if I will live stream on Discord, but I will be around on Discord all day long while I am working. But yeah, that's plan for today. So I will start first Pomodoro timer, but you know that's means almost nothing. Those Pomodoro timers are kind of abused here. Okay, I will write status update in Discord. But Twitch. Okay. I'm in Discord co-working room as well, but I will turn off microphone and audio there just to be not distracted too much on 2 channels simultaneously at the same time. Okay, Xcode. We need Xcode, right? And we need something. This is kind of fine music. Do we have something better? Where is my... I lost my arcade playlist. I still hope that it will appear. I didn't save it. And it's kind of boomer. Gaming beats, let's try. Future punk, funk. Not punk, funk. So it was something about arcade. Arcade. Not that one. Retro. Maybe this one looks promising. Maybe this one. Probably. Okay, I will save it just in case. Probably. It looks kind of promising. Okay, whatever. Okay, here is my Xcode project. Playlist. You can see. Okay, you can. That is not my. I just searched it in playlist. Okay, let me copy. Sure, copy link to playlist. That is not. This one is not my playlist. That is public playlist. I just found it, but yeah, here it is. Okay. Okay, let's start with building project to see, do I have any errors here? Yes, I have. I was a few days off from the project and I have no memories what I did in it before. Almost. No, this is not great playlist. Okay, I will jump to the already kind of tested one. Where is my own playlist? Boom, 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 boom. That distracts a bit. That sounds are not great, not right. While I'm coding, yeah, this one. That is kind of fine playlist. Okay, and now switching music. So, errors. What kind of errors do we have here? Okay, that's just dependency is not fetched. That's fine. It's kind of, yeah, it is not fetched. I like Swift packages for dependencies, but sometimes I have to say that sometimes they are kind of not fetched when you open Xcode for some reason, and then you I don't know what is the best way to fix that, but basically if you will just close Xcode and will reopen it, that will fix the problem. Kind of works like that for me. Okay, no dependency is fetched. We see version and yeah, kind of. Let's try to build. By the way, what's that icon is? What is that? Come on, Tabar, what's wrong with you? Huh. Interesting. I would say that my Mac is a bit responsive. Yeah, maybe because we are building right now. I should go back to that streaming from two machines, streaming from PC and programming on computer, but I just don't have time for that today. And yeah, I'm planning to have a meeting at about 12. It is 9 now for me in about 3 hours, 10, 11. Yeah, in about 3 hours. But maybe I will need to jump on call quicker, and then I need to kind of reconnect microphone, all that stuff. I'm planning to get KVM switcher soonish, then that will be a bit easier, and I will stick with streaming from PC and programming on Mac. Because otherwise it is kind of fine for some period of time, and then it's kind of one day it become everything kind of laggy and not great at all. Okay, so it's running. Okay, change up icon. That stuff should work. We don't need breakpoints here anymore. Probably. Actually, what icon do I have now? Oh, I already have switched icon. That's nice. Let's go with, I don't know, black. Premium functionality. We don't have premium functionality. Okay. And let's open this. Nice. I would like to update that in-app purchase screen as well. It looks a little bit different in production. There is now all the products fetched in test environment. That's fine. It looks a bit broken. In production, it looks tiny bit better, but nah, not today probably. There was actually interesting information that Apple, where I have my Safari, did I close it? Yeah, I closed it. History. I know. Reopen last closed window. That's a scary thing to do on live stream, right? So yeah, basically optimizing subscription. Basically, Apple kind of recommending to do in a purchase screen like I did in my last in fasting app. That could kind of. Thank you for joining, blah, 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 yada, yada. Basically, where is kind of end result. Basically, yeah, it could be better to change for me for this application in a purchase screen as well, but that's a bit too much for this week because I have to work on YouTube video as well, and also this week is the last one before WWDC. And likely I would like to stretch this release until next week. So I'm doing whatever I can do in this week. So this screen is fine. Settings screen is okay-ish. Yeah, and I need screen here. All the others, do we have, all, does this thing work? Will it save status? No, it will not. Yeah, I need to update this thing as well. Okay, I remember now where I am. And yeah, tomorrow, quickly about tomorrow. Tomorrow, most likely I will not be able to stream tomorrow during the day. Yeah, welcome, yeah. New user. Tomorrow, unlikely I will be able to stream on Twitch during the day because during the day, probably cleaning lady will come to clean our home during the day. So I will move from one corner to another during the work day to do not be on the way. But I'm planning to do at night stream on YouTube on Wednesday. Wednesdays are kind of YouTube video or stream days. Yeah. So probably we don't need, yeah, or we need that on init, but morning. Hey, Andrew. What's happened is that I'm now on Twitch. So I'm out from the woods. I was in a forest for quite a few days. Check out my weather. Are you jealous already? 10 degrees and raining all day long, and basically raining all the week. It's chat on the way. Okay, whatever. Basically, it's raining all the week. Maybe we will have day without rain. Oh no, it's still rain, but a little bit in the next Monday. So yeah, what happened when I'm on Twitch? Yeah, I'm out of the woods. In the woods, I was on mobile network and working from laptop only, and I don't know. Next week will be very busy. I don't know yet about next week. You know, next week is WWDC. I have no clue yet what I will do. Unlikely I will do all day long streams because I will watch WWDC videos and all that stuff. Yeah, this summer is kind of in my. I have greenhouse in my garden, and we have also something outside of the greenhouse. What it is? I don't know. Salads, all that stuff. Basically, seems that we will have nothing grown in our greenhouse. I remember that last year when we leaved our garden for midsummer celebration. We are going to the seaside for midsummer celebration, all that stuff. And then tomatoes was in basically bigger than I, and they were huge. And we already had some tomatoes in those tomato trees or bushes. But in this year, those are so big and without no plants. I don't know. Seems that this will be horrible year for. It is already horrible year for gardening. I like -10 in winters, but in summers, rain and +5 to 10 is just horrible. I didn't even go out for a run today. It's raining. Boom. Yeah, we have. Actually, this stuff should be removed. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Last year in midsummer in Yani, it's midsummer celebration here. It was great weather, and we were on seaside in Mazir Bay. It's kind of lonely place on the sea, on seaside, in the cabin, and there it was kind of nice because it was all even it was, I would say, too hot here where I am living. And yeah, this year that will be kind of, I don't know, that will be very cold celebration, let's say so. Yeah, and there is no way that it will become warm until that. We were swimming, all that stuff in last year. It was dope. Actually, midsummer, how it looks. Probably wrong account. Yes. Where we can switch accounts. Here we can. Yeah, this was last year. Basically, it was proper summer. Everything was green. In this year, it is just, I don't know, rainy mess. And yeah, midsummer basically that is on seaside, big fireplaces, very kind of fun stuff. Dancing around fireplaces and yeah, swimming in sea. Yeah, sea. In this year, I don't know. In this year, that will be kind of, I don't know. It looks not promising at all. That should be very miserable celebration. Hey, Monsignor. Thanks for subs. Thanks for subscribe. Really appreciate that, guys. All your sub money going to this coffee cup. Thank you. Starting your stream. Oh, nice. Yeah, we will go on radio later because I will have meetings in about 3 hours. Yeah, house heating. Yeah, exactly. It's almost like we have, or I'm living in an apartment, but our apartment is very warm even without heating because we have huge windows, and even if we have little sun, it kind of warms it up. And house is relatively new and with good heat isolation, energo-effective, let's say so. Oh, yeah, it's multi-string thing. Okay, we should just delete this one and then we will be fine. Kind of break, but yeah. Who cares about breaks? We can take a break in the middle of the Pomodoro as well, right? So yeah, I'm not very excited about plans for this summer. It looks very, very miserable. I don't know. Last year we already did plenty of bicycle rides and I don't know, stuff like that. This week, I'm happy that on the weekend it wasn't very rainy, and yeah, we was able to spend a weekend in the cabin on seaside. But yeah, just I don't know, walking, and that's it. Yeah, of course, no swimming on stuff like that. Sure, there are guys who are swimming all year long, but I'm not one of them. Okay, so we need something very simple to say. By the way, update for my mouse situation. I'm using this mouse for how long already? 3 maybe weeks, something like that. And finally, it feels totally fine when I'm just getting in the hand and starting to work with it. Actually, I packed it in the backpack for going to that cabin, and then I tried to use my regular. I don't know where it is. Okay, it is somewhere. Oh, here it is. I tried to use my kind of regular mouse, this MX Master 2S, and that felt weird. So I kind of my habits switched to this new ergonomic mouse. Okay, this should be. We will remove this view controller settings W controller completely, so no worries at all about errors in it. Okay, build succeeds, that's fine. So actually let's delete that why I commented it out. I don't need it at all. So yeah, actually we can make those variables published as well. Do we use this one somewhere? Probably. Almost never. Okay. I'm just thinking that we could use those kind of in settings. Where is my settings screen? Actually, we could use, instead of view model, we can go directly with how it was user settings shared. Come on. And then we don't need all that reading, saving, all that stuff. Like that. Right? What is syntax for SwiftUI? Generic parameter. Oh, yeah, that is not binded, but if we will make it published, that should work. I don't know which is better approach. Actually, we can kind of inject those variables here in the view model, modify in view model, and then kind of save. This kind of saver approach. Probably we should do that because small letters. Okay, let's make bigger letters for you. Here you have. And yeah, welcome to the stream. Yeah. Just reading and saving in that kind of shard. Okay, let's go for that now. I do not feel kind of good about reading and writing variables directly in the singleton. That feels like kind of, I don't know, a bit of cheating, almost like global variables, right? And basically that is kind of the same, the same thing, but in opposite direction. Let's do like that for now, because my kind of end goal is to move all to the core data and CloudKit, and then we will read and save data in the core data, save data in core data, yeah, exactly. And also into the, for synchronization reasons, into the CloudKit. Because currently everything works just fine, but if user will, not if, when user will lost phone or just will buy new phone and will do stuff like that, then all the kind of previous history is kind of lost. I don't know, is that big deal? Because that is kind of utility app for trainings, and likely someone using it for more than a year, or not a big problem in my opinion, and no one ever complained about that. So probably not a problem at all. When I'm buying Raspberry Pi, I don't know. That's not in the plans yet, because Raspberry Pi buying is one thing. I have to do something with it, right? But I have zero time for that. You can see that from my streaming schedule. Next week, WWDC happens, new APIs, all that stuff will come out. I will be not surprised if I will like to jump onto some new test projects. And if my gut feeling is right, we will have updates for augmented reality. Maybe we will get some, I don't know, APIs for building apps for Apple Glass or something, whatever they will come up with. So I do not expect that I will have time for that. And currently there is nothing what I really want to do with Raspberry Pi. And also I need to rearrange my room and setup and all that stuff. That also will be kind of small project in itself. So not buying one anytime soon. So probably no. Yeah, now it works. Now it works, and it kind of saves it. We are saving data during the while session is alive, and we need to save data on when application is basically closed. It's kind of safe if we will save data when we closing this screen as well. Of course, we can monitor for event when application is going into the background. Probably we should, because, for example, when you are in this screen and you kind of close it, you would like to save as well. But okay, so user settings, and let's call from here, or actually let's do that right here. Adbio, hey, thanks for follow. Hello, welcome to the chat, welcome to the stream. I guess I missed one more follow. Did I? No, I didn't. But I missed stretch request from Abdio. I will do that. I'm stretching for my kind of I'm stretching to do not get into the serious RSI problems, and I hope that helps a bit what I'm doing with hands. I started a whole Docker network on my small Raspberry Pi. Yeah. You can create Firebase, okay, container, start developing. Yeah. you see you have really good kind of use cases for Raspberry Pi, but as you know, I'm building iOS apps only. Basically, I have nothing to do with Raspberry Pi for that. And if I will do something, that will be some, I don't know, some VPN server, I don't know, some home automation projects, things like that. But I don't have kind of time for such hobby projects, and I don't need it for kind of more. Yeah. Sure. When I will have more time, then I can play around with that. But yeah, currently, I think most realistic what I could do could be some automation stuff that could be kind of useful, interesting to play around, and maybe I could create some content around that as well. So yeah, cool up. Thank you. Thank you. What kind of apps I'm building? Mostly I'm building apps for iPhones. Quadrocopter with Raspberry Pi. Wow, interesting. Yeah, you can build. You can. It is really nice project, and you can build. I was thinking about building a retro arcade game machine from Raspberry Pi. Basically, yeah, you can make all the kind of box for this retro arcade game machine, but I didn't do that because again, that's quite a lot of time investment. But that could be really fun project, yeah, to do. Yeah. Yeah, that's also true. There are plenty of kind of already done solutions. You basically get your Raspberry Pi, download all the applications, get 3D printed parts if it is needed, and yeah, just put it together. But still, even if you are just putting together, it's kind of like a Lego, but even more interesting. And you can modify it, right? You can do different things. So data saving kind of works. So now we need some kind of paywall alert. So we have this paywall alert here, paywall alert, premium functionality, blah, blah, blah. So basically we need it here as well. And actually we have to test if that changed something as well. Let's try. Yeah, it's kind of skipping that first. Up now. Filer to start audio. Probably, I'm not sure, but probably audio doesn't work on simulator. Let's try on device. Okay. Let's try the same on the app, on the device, I mean on the app. What I'm talking about? Wake up, iOS, wake up. I'm getting test flight release notifications. I was on the project already, how, almost 5 months ago. I was working on the project. They removed, I reminded them to remove me from the GitLab, remove my access to the GitLab, to the project and all that stuff. They removed me, but I'm still getting new test flight build notifications. Basically, I'm still in the test flight testers team for the app. Actually, it's interesting. Do I still have access to the App Store Connect for that app? I will not be surprised. Oh, that's nice. Preparing watch for the development. Amazing. Ah, sure. Okay, hello. What? Why I'm not logged in yet? What the hell? Why they're asking password one more time? Hello? Maybe I entered the wrong numbers. That could be reason. Yes, trust this computer. Again. This question is asked a bazillion times already. Okay, those are my apps. I'm just curious, am I still... Oh, I'm removed. Okay, at least. I was as a developer in that project as well. Okay, finally it's running. Yeah, that looks nice. Audio notifications off. Okay, let's add on. And oops, I closed the app. And let's start training. The short one. Will we have audio notifications? Kind of, yeah. Let's try to turn it off. Off. Yeah, it works. Nice. At least we didn't broke functionality. And let's go to the background. I will see my notification. Yeah, I will need to test those notifications. I can maybe do that today during the jumping between meetings and tasks. Oh, I don't have notifications enabled. That's the problem, right? Probably. Yes, notifications are not allowed. Okay, let's run training now. Start. And let's go to the background. We'll see what we'll see. Apnea phase ended. Ventilate phase ended. Oh, nice. I'm getting notifications on each phase and until application will die in the background. Yeah, I should add some kind of description that application can't kind of start and stop timers in the background. Basically what's happened, the training is multiple cycles of breathing and holding breath, and application trying to do the best to kind of keep running in the background, but iOS eventually will kill it. And yeah, then at one moment notification application will stop trigger notifications. But in real life scenario, you need just basically one notification for last timer that is running. Currently in test cycle, I have those cycles very short and I'm getting multiple notifications. Can I build a Swift mobile app on Windows OS? No, you need Xcode, right? To build kind of native Swift app or app code or something like stuff like that. And those development tools, ID for development is not available on Windows. Even if you will use cross-platform development tools, I don't know, like Flutter, stuff like that, you still need macOS to sign your application for uploading to the App Store. Short answer is no. But Hackintosh can help you. You can install macOS on your Windows machine. Okay, so basically let me commit this. Yeah, you will need virtual machine or just Hackintosh. Hackintosh basically is, just Google it. Hackintosh is installing macOS on your Windows machine. Kind of sounds a little bit scary, but it is not too hard. You can check on my YouTube channel about Hackintosh. There is short playlist, 3 videos probably, how I built Hackintosh year and a half ago, something like that. Yeah, I do not feel good about virtualization as well. I don't know for sure, but Hackintosh works perfectly fine, no problems at all. Virtualizations, I don't know. I tried for a while ago, didn't work well. I don't know, my commit messages are not the best. Okay, we have break now. I will go and make espresso, fill my water bottle, all that stuff, and we'll be back. Do we have coffee break? Label, something like that. Where is my mouse? Hello, Mr. Mouse. Lunch break. No, not lunch break. Coffee break. Can I change that? Coffee break. Let's put it like that. Yeah, hydrate. Thanks for reminder. I'm going to fill my water bottle. And we'll make espresso. And we'll be back. It will work with virtualization, but yeah. Virtualization, it was, I don't remember that else. I tried to virtualize it many, many years ago, and that was bad experience. Maybe it is better now already, but I see much better experience when you do virtualization for Windows from macOS, if you need that. For example, that parallels, whatever it is, tool, app, whatever, that works nice. You can just run Windows applications, windowed in macOS, perfect. Okay. Oops. Sorry, hitting microphone. I will be back soon. Okay, so I'm back right in time. Yeah, exactly. Just buy cheap Mac, whatever you can afford, and use it, or Hackintosh. Hackintosh will work as well. Okay, let's set up that Hackintosh notification. I see that this topic is coming, not notification, but link. Nightbot. Hey, Jungle Art. Thanks for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Commands, custom. So we will need something like how much? About 9 months. Okay, and I need to find a link to them. Let's try to do that. YouTube studio. Playlists. Keyboard, hardware, no, not that. Hackintosh, yeah, that one, playlist. Yeah, seems that I didn't have Hackintosh thing yet. Now we have it. Yeah, it works. Let me say so. Hackintosh, of course, it is not. Of course, it's always easier just to buy a Mac and use it. Hackintosh you will need to invest some time in configuration and all that stuff. For me, it took about 1.5 days, something like that, just to kind of, I don't know, put together hardware, install everything, and it was working just fine after that. I was able to update from the App Store, and yeah, everything was working fine. Yeah. Okie dokie. So, settings. Oh, my dog will come. Oh, actually, we have alert here as well. And when I'm using it, never. Okay, so we have set subscription is active here. Okay. And actually, let's use here let's show this premium banner only when user trying to click something. Should we? Or maybe not. Maybe keep it open here all the time, because kind of why not? Because we could kind of hide it and show only when user is pressing something and maybe yeah, we can show it when user is pressing something here in Pro settings. Where are my Pro settings here? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, currently on toggle button, we just kind of mapping our variable and kind of changing it. Actually, I don't know how to not kind of disable, but basically, yeah. It could be nice on the toggle if user is not Pro subscriber to show alert instead of allow to use it. Currently I can disable it if user is not premium subscriber, but I'm not sure if it is clear enough how to enable it. Yeah. Kind of is, but maybe not for everyone. Yeah, interesting. Sure, we can make some layer over this. Let me try to search. Let's say basically we are looking for conditional action, something like that. Conditional action. How to change between boot button styles, that's something. But basically we would like to do something. This kind of binding for each and every toggle button doesn't sound good. Hello, hello, Farish. Hey. Probably I will just disable those buttons and I will show kind of one more row here. If user is not kind of pro, if user is not subscriber, that will be easier. Otherwise I need to bind each of those kind of settings to be able to show some alert messages and all that stuff. How I'm doing? I'm doing well, thank you. Thank you. Hope your day is going well as well. I'm doing very good. And here we will add something like, I don't know. Did I have that alert here? Premium functionality. Boom. Now let's go with advanced features. Let's say we will have here if subscription is not active, we will have text here. And text will be something like that. Advanced settings, advanced. Now let's go with features. And actually I would like to have probably go with label. And here we will have system image. I just guessing that we will have something like gear. Yes, we have gear. Recommendations for mobile desktop stands. Do you mean stand for laptop? If you mean stand for laptop, I don't have any kind of really good recommendations. I have some no-name stands for, I don't know, to have them in the clamshell, whatever mode it is. I'm not using it actually. But I like better to have stands kind of on the arms. Currently my laptop basically is on monitor arm and I have plate for basically tray for holding laptop and it is kind of hovering on the over the desk. Mobile phone. I'm using this one. It is nice but overpriced. This one is from GrooveMate. It costs $1 bazillion. I don't remember how much. And basically you have to buy magnetic charger for it. So it works really well. I like it, but I don't know. Price is, I don't remember how much it was, something about $80, something like that. I don't remember. It was pricey and it was sent to me for free. So I like how it looks. It kind of fits well into the brown desk shelf. It fits together very well. It holds phone on place and charge it, but price. Those GrooveMade, I have links in all my YouTube videos to those GrooveMade desk shelves. Basically, you can find stands as well. I lost my mouse. It is really nice, but I don't remember price. GrooveMade desk shelf. This should be linked to the GrooveMade desk shelf. Let's check. Let's check. Yeah, and that's desk shelf what I use, but also there are stands, iPhone stands. Those prices are just. I had this one. Oh my gosh, 140. So it looks well, it works well, but I don't know if that price feels right for you. But it works really well, and it looks really well, and it's kind of good, really good quality product. What do you mean by free sponsorship? I am sponsoring. Yeah, kind of. But that link, if you will click it, that is affiliate link. If you like to kind of help me out, go for it. So it's not completely free. Hey Las, hello. Welcome to the chat. Okay, this label kind of looks fine. Probably we need to embed that into the where is my stacks? Horizontal, Z stack, V stack, horizontal. Soul TV, hey, hello, welcome to the stream. Image, system image. How we add? System name, maybe. I'm guessing info. Can we get info? Yeah. Yes, this is personal project. That info doesn't look right. Let's open SF symbols. Yes. Yes, that is personal project. Info circle. I will say that info circle could work just fine. Oh, what was that? Copy name. Okay, better. Eh. And be watched from Russia. Should I be scared? Yeah, no, we had much more Russians in the chat on Twitch and also in YouTube comments. No, I don't know. Are they behind the Iran wall? Or they are kind of, I don't know, busy with other things, but yeah, not so much Russians anymore. Or maybe Russians are kind of acting in stealth mode, do not open anymore that they are from Russia and using English only. This application is in the App Store already. It is already released. I'm working on updates. Do I use money on advertisement? No, I do not spend any money on advertisement. I don't really like this how it looks, but I don't know, maybe. Let's stick with that for now. On top gesture, we will just toggle no. What was that? What was that? Is present, yeah. Is presented. Probably we don't need this binding thing here. Toggle. Okay, let's try to let's run it on simulator, not on device. Booms. Let's go. Actually, I should take a look what's going on in the Slack. And where the hell is my iPad screen? I mean in the, okay, it is here. Can we move it here? That will be kind of a bit more handy. No, it is not. Where is my mouse? Can I get it here? Oh, I can't. Okay, let's try. It's kind of tricky to move mouse over to the iPad. Okay, that will work. So, settings screen. Okay, this user is not premium user, so those toggles are disabled, that's correct. And nice, when we are hitting this button, then we kind of showing and hiding this banner. But I don't like that we are hiding that banner after that. Actually, we will keep that banner presented here in this screen. Labrīt. Izies un pastaigāties, kamēr nelīst. Jau līst. Nu tad sagaidi, ka nelīst, un tad ej ar viņu pastaigājas normāli. Es biju ar viņu paņēmis līdz, ka es vedu Justīnu uz skolu. Viņš ir uz ļoti īsu tikai izgājis. Kaut kādā brīdī nelīja? Jā. Nu, skaties vienkārši, nu nepārstās līt, tad nu uz kādiem 12, tad taču jāatras un ārā kārtīgi staigāt. Vienkārši skaties, ja pārstāja kaut kādā brīdī līt, vienkārši pievērs uzmanību. Ja pārstāja līt, tad izēj ārā, un lai nav pēc tam pa lietu jāiet. Jā, es skatos joprojām, es domāju, ka joprojām līt bez apstāja. Nē, bija tāds pauzīts. Nu kā viņš pierimst un atkal sāk, nu nav tā, ka vispār nelīst smidzina. Pasties prognozē, ko rāda, kad būs mazāk līdzekļu. Okay, that will work. No, I'm not muted. Yeah, that's spending money on advertisement. Let me say that always is the math. You have to know first how much money you earn from each user, and then you can calculate how much money is reasonable to invest to get one new user. And yeah, advertisement is pricey, maybe pricey as hell. Okay, let me check. I have to open my backlog for freelance project to see if I have already something incoming. Any incoming tasks what I have to start to work on immediately. Come on, pivotal tracker, you can do that. Okay, I have no new tasks yet. That's good. Let's close all the unnecessary tags and we're good to go. Oh yeah, that's horrible. Those advertisements are horrible. Grow. What was your username? Wait a minute. Grove the carrot. Groved the carrot. Yeah, hello. Thanks for following. Welcome to stream. Yeah, those ad breaks are annoying. I have to remember just run those ad breaks manually. Then basically when we are making those kind of water breaks or whatever, then I should remember to run those ads. Yeah, that sucks. Well, I have checkbox enabled stretch. Yeah, thanks for reminder. Let's do that. I have checkbox to have ad-free experience for subs. So basically, at least subscribers should not see ads. But I'm afraid that Twitch will change that. I hope that not, but I'm afraid that they will do that eventually. Because they are a bit greedy. Yeah, and I should remember when we are doing those, I don't know, coffee breaks or something, then run ads manually. That could help, yeah. Okay, let's run it now. Okay, hello, hello. Hello from Russia, hello. Oh, ad blocker killing your ad. Yeah, that's nice if ad blocker can do that. Okay, blocker counter. Oh. Yeah, it looks that Twitch kind of hates users. I don't think that they care about. Yeah, sure, you can kind of catch that. Especially, for example, we have two audio channels. One is music channel, another one is microphone channel, and we are streaming that to the Twitch, and Twitch knows that audio channel A, whatever, is microphone, and that's kind of easy peasy, right? To see if there is incoming kind of audio stream from that. Yeah, basically that will work. And if user will have subscription, we will not have this information here at all, because we actually don't need it. And it's that's kind of looks fine. And this banner will be removed if user have premium subscription. Yeah, nice. Yeah, Twitch just do not care about that, believe me. Okay, let's keep that I here. Maybe we could make it bigger. Font size. Yeah. No. Font weight. Let me check. I guess we can make it a bit bigger. Yeah, I don't know what and why they are doing here. It's kind of strange what Twitch is doing lately. Can I change that image size here? Okay, here it is. Label, mod, frame, modifiers. Basically, for text, we have the same modifiers like for text, and for text we have font. Let's try to change it. Okay, that will be font then. Okay. And here, image, font, okay. And that will be, let's say, title. Will that work? Yeah, it works. You can decide something dumb. Yeah. Probably you should go to and apply for a to work in a Twitch as product manager. That could work. Title 2, title 3 maybe. Yeah, that looks right size. And foreground color, let's go with that system blue. Just blue. Yeah. Yeah. Better. Yeah, it kind of looks like, yeah, if you are looking that from user perspective and even from streamer's perspective, it looks like Twitch is passively aggressive, in passive aggressive way, kind of pushing all the users away from their platform. Sounds completely dumb, but I don't know. That's how it looks. But those are just kind of dumb corporate decisions, let's say so. That's how corporations work, yeah. From outside it looks totally dumb, but inside they probably have kind of good reasoning for all that shit what they're doing here. Okay, that kind of works. Yada yada. Da-da-da. Also, on the startup, we should fetch settings, save settings. Yeah, exactly. Those ads for those ads embedded in live stream. Those are not great, and those are also not like ads on the YouTube when you can skip that ad after 2 or 3 seconds, right? Because yeah, there are plenty of cases where that ad doesn't hurt and you can keep it going just to, I don't know, just to give a chance to that streamer to earn those 0.0001 cents. But yeah, if you are, I don't know, if you anyways do not kind of paying attention and there is some silent moments, or I don't know, for like those co-working streams where we are just not showing screen, just running Pomodoros and kind of working everyone on task. Those ads doesn't hurt, right? And yeah, but at least add that skip button what YouTube have, right? And YouTube ads also, there are banners on side, banners on the bottom, banners over video, embedded videos, and come on, 30 seconds, 1 minute ads, those are crazy long. Good morning. Hello, hello, Senichka. Boom, 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 boom. So actually we will do, those are, here we will set those to the, there are few kind of premium features. We will need to reset those to the off. Yeah, I agree. I completely agree about those. Well, I just feel that those co-working streams fits well Twitch, but I have no willing at all to do kind of more all the other streams what I do. I have no willing to do those streams on Twitch. That's why I'm streaming all the other kind of content on YouTube. I don't know, just talks, streams, or streams on some specific topics, basically, which are kind of shorter streams and kind of more intense. I don't know, if you are if you are talking for, I don't know, an hour, and in that hour we have 30 seconds ad breaks somewhere in the middle randomly, that is not going to work. Yeah. I don't know, yeah, about that switching and all that stuff. It's kind of, that depends, again, question kind of where to stream, right? If I'm streaming on my main channel, those kind of co-working streams do not really fit well into that content. That auditory, they're kind of not willing to see those streams. So that should be separate YouTube channel most likely. And then again, question kind of, should I grow separate YouTube channel just for that? Because we kind of have some growing here, but I see benefits from streaming on YouTube because that is way easier to link kind of two YouTube channels to each other. And monetization, that is not most important part in that, right? Because that's not kind of real money on Twitch. That is just, I don't know, a joke. I don't know. And here, what I like on Twitch and what we still don't have on YouTube, those are those channel points, for example. That is kind of fun thing to have. Those audio alerts, for example, all that stuff. That is interesting and fun thing to have. Yeah, hello again. Yeah, Balinci enjoys audio alerts, so we will not have those on. Yeah, this is still fun. Few days in, still fun. I like them as well. So, yeah, on YouTube live streams, we will not have this stuff. I don't know. Twitch is very annoying, but I'm not completely. I'm not frustrated, yeah, enough yet to ditch it completely. You didn't hear it. How? Ah, sorry. No, not sorry. You should hear it. I was thinking currently we have two audio kind of channels. Don't you? Didn't you really? Let me try. Let's try. Didn't you hear it? Sound alerts. I see that we have sound alerts here on this scene. Nope. How? And we have sound alerts here. Why? And now? Viagra advertisement. No sound. Sound alerts are broken. So bad. Why? Yeah, I agree with your point. I completely agree with your point. I have that second secret YouTube channel. I don't know, we can try experimental stream. Yeah, I'm sad as well, Balinci. It's so sad. There are quite a few things that I like in Twitch, but those cons are annoying as hell as well, yeah. It's kind of well, we could kind of do cross-platform streams when Twitch will allow that, but again, what's the point to do it cross-platform, right? I don't know, yeah. If I will be completely annoyed and sad about direction where Twitch is going, probably I will, yes, stream on that co-working streams on that YouTube channel, second one. I hope that I will stream on my channel, and then I will keep Twitch just for gaming streams. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I still hope that Twitch will kind of woke up and fix that shit what they have, yeah. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what's happening, what's going on with sound alerts. Basically, configuration is here. I hear them, but there is some problems with playing those on stream. I don't know why. Okay, back to critical. Hey, hello. Thanks for follow, and yeah, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Facebook Lives. Oh my gosh. I don't know about Facebook. I'm not active on it and I don't really like Facebook, so I don't know. I'm not sure about that Facebook Lives at all. Hope that Twitch will die this year. I don't think that Twitch will die this year. I don't believe in that, and I think that that dying will be kind of relatively slow. But I will be not surprised if Twitch will be sold in a year or so, because currently they do almost nothing. I don't know why Amazon needs them. No, because there is no money. I don't know. That Amazon Gaming Prime, I don't think that generates any money. I don't know. I'm not in gaming kind of deep enough to have kind of full picture in front of me, but it doesn't feel that Twitch will be around for a long time if that will keep moving like it is moving like that is moving now. I don't know. And yeah, I saw, for example, also that few streamers applied recently for Twitch Premium, and I don't know why they did that even as well. I kind of guessing. Is there money? What's the interest and all that stuff? Yeah. Even if you're going to the admin interface of channel, you'll see advertisement first. Oh, that sucks, right? Crazy. But I do not feel that I'm going Facebook. I don't see that. I think that YouTube could be kind of way to go, but separate channel for live streams. And what also I like on YouTube, those clips in Twitch, that is just, I don't know, just a joke. They should do something like all the other platforms have. You should be able to normally edit your short videos and post them like YouTube Shorts, like Instagram Reels or TikToks, whatever. And those could work and bring people to the stream and all that stuff. Otherwise, I don't know. It's Twitch kind of sucks. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence for a very long time already. Continue kind of spending time on Twitch because I like kind of. There are plenty of developers and that auditory is kind of nice, yeah, and community is nice on Twitch, but still there are kind of more gamers than developers, and maybe there are plenty of developers on YouTube as well, right? Yeah. How long you been an iOS developer? iOS developer professionally. Professionally, I am iOS developer since 2016. I started freelancing on 2016. Missed daily rant about Twitch, exactly. And that's also kind of maybe, I don't know, maybe that is kind of one of the reasons why I'm not consistent with streaming as well, because it kind of feels like it's some kind of waste of time, because it feels that, I don't know, that Twitch is, I kind of like, of course I like those interactions and all that stuff, but it feels that Twitch is dying. Anyways. What is your biggest iOS project? I will say Untitled chat application. I was solo developer for that app for a few years, and there are few million active users. I have somewhere outdated portfolio. You can go iversmeyers.com, try to find my latest apps. Where it is, let me check. Do I have latest projects? Yeah, this one, Antiland. I was a solo developer for this application for quite a few years, and there are, I don't know, few million active users. Yeah, sure. Yeah, they see that exactly. Okay, I can enable microphone on Discord. Then at least, where is my microphone? I will enable microphone on Discord. Okay, it is enabled now. At least we will have a voice channel on Discord. 4 advertisement breaks in 15 minutes. Crazy. So my yeah, there is option. Basically, you can decline, cancel affiliate contract, and then probably Twitch will not show ads on your streams. But that's also, even if it is so, most likely they will start to show those ads eventually, because YouTube also do that. YouTube also showing ads on channels which are not kind of partners. That's kind of, yeah, that's kind of tricky and strange. Yeah, probably we should ditch that Twitch eventually, because yeah, there are kind of small amount of money, and yeah, also there are kind of dopamine hits because this channel is kind of growing. As you see, currently we are kind of hanging out on stream, and new users are coming and subscribing, and it is kind of, yeah, there are already 2,000 plus kind of followers on channel, blah blah blah, but in the grand scheme of things, that is kind of nothing. That is still tiny streamer channel, and that doesn't matter, right? Change your country, yeah, to some, but yeah, that's, you should change your country as auditory, and not me as streamer. Yeah, Fox, you should change your country. With YouTube, your ad blocker works fine. Yeah, and that is the problem also from creating content for tech audience. I'm kind of not complaining, but just facts. Basically, ad revenue on my YouTube channel is so tiny small, because almost everyone is using, because auditory is tech savvy, and almost everyone is using ad blockers, and revenue from ads is tiny. Oh, thank you. Yeah, yeah. That's project, that Antiland project, that was kind of huge for one developer. It was kind of huge. Currently, I dropped that project already, and they hired 3 more developers to work on that project. They hired 3, and they are looking for 1 more. I saw that posting on LinkedIn that they are looking for developer. Hmm. Okay, iOS is doing small break now. No, I didn't hit any ad break yet. I didn't create it from scratch, that Antiland app. I overtook it from founder. Founder built that app, and he had to add new features, and those are kind of out of his a bit too much over his head. And yeah, he hired me, and I was a solo developer for that project for 3 years, maybe. Yeah, I didn't start that break. Okay, now we have, for example, coffee break time. And I will go and make restroom break, and I will run ad break now. And we'll see. Oh, currently ad break is disabled because Twitch already runs this ad for me. Yeah, nice. Thank you, Twitch, of course. So nice. Run ad break. Run ad break button is disabled, yeah, because they already did that, yeah. Stream is out of control, yeah. I'm using session app for timer. Yeah, interesting. We recently, yeah, and I see that on streamer dashboard, I see you recently run an ad, must wait to run another one. So, yeah, Twitch is kind of doing that for me without me wanting to do that. And streamer can clip that. Oh my god, there is possibility to run 3-minute ad breaks. Isn't that nice? Okay, I'm doing 30 seconds ad break, going to restroom, all that stuff. Then hopefully we will have at least, I don't know, 30 minutes of uninterrupted stream. Let's go to the ad break. If Twitch will show it, of course. Haha, that didn't work. Interesting. So when I starting ad breaks, then those are not working, but when Twitch wants ad breaks, they are running just fine. Very interesting. Vienkārši es paskatījos palūgt, tad nelīju. Vienkārši, ja tu gribi iet ārā, kad nelīst, tad ej ārā, kad nelīst, vai ej ārā 12. You pay $5 in a month for a stopwatch. Well, that stopwatch, it is available for free. That is one thing. Another thing is, let me check. I guess I have. Let me be a good streamer. Let me. Okay. Here it is. Found it. Link. So, yes, it is kind of $5 in a month, but I'm using Setup app. And that is kind of Netflix for mobile apps. And I'm using not this one, but few more applications and paying something like $10 in a month. For example, this monitoring tool in the what it is? Tab bar, not tab bar, top bar, whatever. Yeah. Weather app, clipboard manager, I don't know, this time tracking application. Basically, plenty of applications which I'm using. I'm paying for them one kind of fixed price in a month, and basically that is that setup.com thing. Feel free to use my link to click on my affiliate link or just Google it and you will find it. Basically, there are a bunch of good applications and it's definitely worth kind of checking it out. If you see that you are going to use at least few of those apps, I don't know, streaming and gaming, for example, what is Mirror, Mac, whatever. Basically, there are plenty of applications which could be interested. For example, this Useless, for example, Ulysses, not Useless, Ulysses for writing. Great application. And you can get kind of it for this bundled subscription. Works well for me. Paying just $5 for timer app, $5 in a month. It also feels kind of a bit too expensive, but if you pay $10, but for all of them, it's fine. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, to mute. Yeah, that's kind of this problem with muting and unmuting microphones. Discord and stream kind of works separately. That sucks a bit. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Actually, Discord. Am I? Ah, yeah, I am in Discord. Yeah, that's nice. I'm just checking if I'm still in the Discord live stream. I am. paying attention to Slack for a bit. Yeah, that's indeed unlimited power, yeah. That's really kind of cool, yeah. Oh, Monsignor B. Hello. Thanks for the ride, but I planned to ride you today. Thanks for the ride. Hello, and welcome, riders. You broke my plan, actually. And yeah, I have my kind of chats in the Slack becomes more and more active as meeting time is coming. And QA start to testing application which we're kind of hoping to send for review today. We'll see. Okay, whatever. Oh, doc appointment. Sad. Okay. Yeah, I will not stay long today as well, just until meetings. For us, yeah, this week is release week. Yesterday we released backend and web client and did all the tests, all that stuff. Today we are kind of doing final tests for iOS app. We'll see if we need to add any fixes or whatever else, and then sending it to the App Store for review. So fingers crossed. But yeah, this is busy week. And next week we will have WWDC, right? That will be even more crazy. So, oh my gosh. Boom, 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 boom. So, actually here we have to kind of reset. Basically, if user is not subscriber, then we should kind of set premium features to off. I don't know, currently it works, so in current build in the App Store, I'm not resetting it. Basically, if user was kind of subscriber even for 1 month, and then user kind of set whatever he wants to see in settings and cancel subscription after that, those settings will stay. Basically, premium features will be enabled. I don't know, it's kind of, but probably I will not allow that anymore. That's kind of, I will say that's kind of a bug, but beneficial for the users. Probably some users will be unhappy if I will fix it, but probably we should do that. Probably we should fix it. Yeah. My microphone sounds better of Discord. I'm not surprised that even, you know, Twitch video and audio encoding just sucks. It's horribly bad. And on Discord we have this, how it is named? I already forgot. Nitro powered streaming, something like that. Yeah, it's kind of better. It's louder. Yeah, but that's audio encoding. That's definitely audio encoding. We can send one thing to the Twitch, but whatever Twitch, we will see as a result whatever Twitch will decide to show. Encoding kind of, it is as it is, yeah. We kind of already know that Twitch player and then video audio encoding sucks comparing with YouTube. That's sad, but true. So we only have negative points on Twitch. That's good. Yeah, that's true. I see two benefits on Twitch. One is kind of one is monetization, but yeah, monetization exists on the YouTube as well. So that's kind of whatever. Basically, by switching today or streaming on Twitch, I will lose whatever monetization we have here. That monetization is just pennies. I would say around 20 euros in a month, something like that. So that's not my money. Okay, that's enough money for coffee for a month, let's say so, right? But that's it. What else? Yeah, that's about it. And the audience, yeah, of course, audience. We have here on streams how much people are watching. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, currently we have 33 viewers, so that's quite a lot. And to get anyone watching on YouTube, it's kind of hard issue. Oh, automation deal, Abrit. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hello. So yeah, that's not kind of important now to, I don't know, to move somewhere, but yeah, as we see on every second stream, that's Twitch streams becomes more and more horrible. I don't know. Yes, on YouTube we can use eCam, and I really like that. Yeah, OBS has good kind of point for streaming. It is kind of free, and eCam app is a paid product. But frankly, I don't mind to pay for apps which I'm using daily on daily basis. So I don't know, kind of why not? And those few features which eCam have over OBS, I really like them. For example, that comment highlight, all that stuff. Monsignor B, it's, I don't know, it's kind of, you are using, that's very tricky about using eCam on Twitch. I'm using eCam also time to time, and there are some days when everything is just fine and it works, and some days it is not. And when you are using eCam for streaming, basically you don't know if your stream is working. And then you don't know if no one is watching your stream. Kind of no one is watching, but you don't know what is user experience. Maybe people maybe there are plenty of people who are opening stream and see that the stream is kind of glitchy or without audio and just leaving it without saying anything. So you don't know, yeah. And yeah, for me it was kind of, sometimes it works, sometimes it is not, yeah. And OBS is kind of more stable experience. How you keep that eCam subscription? No, I canceled it, but it is still active till the November. I had a customer yesterday who needed server troubleshooting, and I asked what's the preference. Skype groups. No, almost never is using Skype for communication. When I was working in payment industry and I was working, there were a development team in Finland. They were in the Skype all the time, and they used Skype group chats as well. But Skype is, be real, Skype is bad messenger application. And it is kind of more popular in Finland. Originally, as you probably know, Skype is from Estonia, and it was kind of popular here in Baltics because it is kind of a neighbor country. Maybe that is the reason why it was popular in Finland. But yeah, that's basically only case where Skype was used in work. But otherwise, it was Teams or Google Hangouts, yeah, that's it, or those Slack calls. I asked settings from Monsignor B, and I asked settings. Megan also is using eCam live for streaming, and I have exactly the same settings that Megan used. For me, it is, and also without changing settings. Sometimes that works fine, sometimes it is not. Okay, yeah, no, good for you. Then it works for Monsignor B, but doesn't work for me. Yeah. Skype doesn't. Yeah, but Microsoft bought Skype, right? And now Microsoft has Teams, and so I think that Skype will be communication tool for consumers, and Teams is more like business solution. Oh, you're rebooting Mac? Oh, yeah, crazy. OBS is better anyway. Yeah, and OBS is free. You can do pretty much the same in OBS what you can do in Ecamm. There are kind of few features. I will say Ecamm is kind of more user-friendly. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah, actually, we will not like to override probably user settings. Even if we kind of disable, we kind of overwrite it on here. But saving. Hard to say, Monsignor. OBS is. I'm using both OBS and Ecamm, and currently OBS is running in Rosetta, right? And I have no problems to run. Basically, I do not see big difference on resource demanding level for both apps, about the same. And I have, and of course that depends what kind of overlays you have, how many of them, all that stuff. But I have more or less same looking scenes for streaming in OBS and Ecamm, and on M1 Pro it's about the same. Sometimes I'm kind of, I don't know, sometimes OBS kind of taking too much resources, sometimes Ecamm, but that's kind of general resource management and availability problem on machine more than problems on Mac. I don't know. Benefits with OBS is also kind of big. You can run OBS on cheap PC as well and use it as a streaming PC. So that's also kind of benefit. I don't know. Yeah. Interesting. What's that? I have something. Oh, yeah. That's kind of. That's Discord. Okay. So glitchy. Discord app. Yeah. You ignored my ping. What ping? Who? Who ignored what and why? notifications. Yeah, that kind of resetting, that could be kind of right way to change. Yeah. Have a good one. I have to go soonish as well, yeah. Bye-bye. See you. What? What's that? What's that actually? Ah, okay. Default. Okay, that could be good to have that in constants, but okay. Default brace hold. Okay. Okay, it's fine for now. Settings view. Yeah, actually. This could be a little bit better to save. It could be better to save those variables only when they are changed without saving just every time when we're closing screen. It's kind of nice thing to have, but not very important. Okay, we need screen form for this one. Basically something like we have here, kind of allow notifications thing, and we need something similar here just to show notifications when training cycle is finished. Okay. I guess that currently I'm just showing empty screen here. Do I? Yeah, empty view. So we will need oh, we have coffee break. Let's try one more time to add on the stream. We'll see if that will work now. Now I'm hitting one more add break. We'll see if that will work now. I have no clue if that's working on stream. But with hitting add break, we are disabling pre-roll ads just for 21 minutes. That's bad. That's very bad. Yes, 20 something minutes. That's what I see. Basically, by I just hit kind of. I started kind of ad on my own, and Twitch basically said that they are kind of stopping pre-roll ads for that amount of time, 21 whatever minutes. I personally think that it is horrible experience when you open stream and immediately see ad. And there is basically only one way how to avoid that. You are just doing those pre-roll ads. Basically, you that's the only way how to disable that. Hate that. Don't like that at all. But I don't know. There is no kind of tools to avoid that. That's stupid, right? Okay. Back to our stuff here. So instead of empty view, we will need some, let's say, notification settings view. Basically, we need just on-off button on that screen and just some explanation. We already have notification time settings. Basically something kind of not exactly the same, but similar to this one. Okay, what will be name? So we are adding new screen. Name will be something like that will be timer notification. Yeah. I should probably keep at least voice going on co-working stream on Twitch, on Discord. I mean, sorry, on Discord, because yeah, ads, sound, kind of quality issues on Twitch, all that stuff. Those are kind of good reasons to do that. And yeah, so actually we need kind of very similar screen to this one, but I will add some kind of text wall to it. Boom. Notifications on. Oh, we were on break. Okay, forgot about that. Oh my hell, I'm using App Store notifications, App Storage notifications. Yeah, it's kind of fine in SwiftUI app, because eventually we are kind of going to remove it anyways. Yeah, problem with that is that I have user default manager here, and also I'm using in some places I'm using just app storage, but that is just user defaults wrapper, which is kind of built in the SwiftUI. But we have user defaults wrapper, kind of what I did build for UIKit part of the app before. Give me a sec. If you gusto. Prasi Gustavam visu. Gustavs suns jau prasās ārā. Okay. Oh, and we are saving the date as well. Yeah, sure. Yeah, there is kind of one benefit from streaming on Twitch instead of streaming on YouTube. You kind of can get away with using copyrighted music as well. That's probably only kind of benefit from streaming on Twitch right now. But that's also kind of, I don't know, until one moment when Twitch will start to get copyright claims from music industry. Currently, I don't know why, but music industry currently is kind of ignoring Twitch. Maybe they didn't recognize yet how much money is in Twitch. Because yeah, of course, small streamers make zero money, but there are big, I will say huge streamers as well, right? So yeah. Okay, so here we will need Oh, thanks for the reminder. Cheers. Oh, I'm at the end of my there was a bit of water on the very. Oh, I have a water bottle next to me. That's kind of backup. Yeah. The topics comes up time to time. Currently, Twitch, before it was absolute anarchy, but currently Twitch is kind of monitoring your videos, but only recorded and published videos on Twitch. Twitch still do not care whatever you do on the live streams. But yeah, of course, I think if, I don't know, some big singles are coming out just fresh in the market and you will use those, maybe, I don't know, maybe situation will be different. But basically during the stream, you can play whatever you like if it is not published as a video after on your kind of Twitch channel, yeah. So I think by default we will set it to the true, because Why not? That is better user experience to have those timers, not timers, but notifications enabled. On disappear. Basically on disappear we need to kind of change add notification. Oh yeah, actually, if I would like to play, I am using Epidemic Sounds soundtracks on my live streams, and if I would like to play Epidemic Sounds music on one more YouTube channel, I probably should add it to the license, and probably that will mean that I have to pay some extra money. And you get away with not recording the music. So yeah, probably that is legit, yeah. Probably that is kind of fine if you do not publish those as VODs, yeah. On YouTube, as far as I know, they don't have such option to kind of record kind of separate audio and music tracks. Actually, where I am kind of saving those notifications, probably I don't need to do anything here. And we just kind of do not on appear. Resume. Oh, Michelle Codes. Hello. Hey. Hello. Why it should be problem to play copyrighted music in background? It is because those are, I don't know, some general kind of laws how you can use this music. If you are using that music in the background, they do not care how silent or loud it is. If you can recognize that music, it will get copyright strike. And also that is not big problem as well. You just can't monetize that on YouTube. It is not big problem. On Twitch, they are just removing it because because their platform is shitty. On YouTube, basically, if your video has copyrighted music, you can still kind of show ads on that video, but money from those ads will go to the copyrighted music owner. That's how it works on YouTube. On Twitch, I think that Twitch just, the backend can't handle that kind of money kind of splitting between copyright music holder, streamer, Twitch, all that stuff. So I heard that on alert. I don't know what about you guys. Did you? Seems that sound alerts, at least on morning, was broken. I don't know what's going on now. Okay, we will put some text wall here. Didn't hear anything. Oh, sad. Hey, Dragon Dust. Yeah, sorry guys. Do not use audio alerts, please. Audio alerts, I don't know, for some reason are broken. I did nothing, changed nothing. OBS is basically in the same state that we had it on last stream. Last stream those were fine. Today they are not working. I don't know what's... And I hear them. And I didn't change settings for audio channels, whatever. I don't know why. Cheers. I have my backup water bottle. Are you going to stream today, Michelle? Is there streaming software that would allow to write custom filters? Custom filters. OBS allow to do that. There are filters layer and you can apply filters over whatever you have, yeah. Oh, no stream today. Sad, because I have to kind of jump off from the stream soonish. I will be around on Discord, but I don't know yet if I will stream on Discord or whatever. Oh. Because I see that we have incoming kind of research tickets, not bugs yet, but research tickets for version that we are kind of going to release today. So I will need to pay attention to that a bit. But yeah, automation. You should take a look on OBS filters. You can kind of add overlays and all that stuff, and probably that is what you need. Your public holidays on Friday. Wow. Good for you. But yeah. Usually that doesn't mean less work. It means less time for work, but not less work. I know that, yeah, how it is, yeah. Yeah, I have incoming messages on Slack. Basically, sorry guys, I have to kind of wrap up stream now. And we have a meeting in about 30 minutes, and yeah, I have to pay attention on incoming tasks. Yeah, I will be around on Discord. We'll see how that will go. Currently, I will kind of stay in co-working chat, I will not share screen or anything for now because I will have those meetings, all that stuff. But later on afternoon, so we'll see. Maybe I will be able to stream something. But I will be around on Discord all day long. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone. So I see that there is no any friends streaming. Sorry guys for leaving you just here. I don't see any other co-workers. Whatever. Okay. I'm stopping stream right now. Next week is WWDC week. I don't know. Tomorrow on the evening, I will definitely planning to have stream on my main channel. We'll see how that will go, but basically everything about WWDC now. See you. Bye bye.